Today, a majority of people are experiencing the same problem. Nothing feels exciting anymore. You might also notice this yourself. You try to engage in some activities like playing trending games, watching the latest series, or following sports, but suddenly everything feels boring and off. Your favorite games, hobbies, even movies and web series no longer provide the satisfaction they used to. And if you are thinking it is happening because of laziness or no longer having interest, you are wrong. Something deeper is actually happening inside our brains, and it is affecting nearly everyone in 2025. People think their lives are normal and they're comfortable until they start feeling trapped and unhappy inside the cycle of boredom. It is quite frustrating that the things you loved to watch and do in the past become boring so fast. To fix that, many people start scrolling endlessly through social media feeds, watching video after video, reels after reels, hopping from one hobby to another in the hope that one reel might come and fix them. The brain and dopamine. If you want to know why this bad thing happens, it is important to look at the brain, because our brain is designed to get constant rewards as fast as possible. Dopamine is the primary chemical responsible for pleasure and excitement. Dopamine spikes when we see or encounter something new, or do something for the first time, which creates a sense of enjoyment. But here's the catch. When we start watching YouTube videos, playing fun games with friends for hours, or endlessly scrolling on social media, it reduces dopamine sensitivity. The moment you were enjoying before now feels boring. Through research, studies in neuroscience have shown that doing the same thing every day, like endless scrolling or playing the same video games with the same friends, can mess with your brain's reward system. As a result, many people keep consuming new content or trying new things but still remain trapped. Overstimulation and modern life. It is 2025, and modern life has become too advanced, trapping us in constant engagement. Notifications and endless feeds make sure the brain always chases dopamine. This can make hobbies, creative ideas, projects, and even social interactions feel useless. A study from the University of California found that students who use too much social media and spend over 3 hours daily report lower levels of satisfaction. The dark side of boredom. If you think boredom is just a normal thing, you are wrong. It has serious effects on our behavior. For example, it can reduce patience, and you may have noticed that 90% of social media users now have lower attention spans. Even through boredom, people start getting aggressive too quickly and engaging in risky or inappropriate behaviors. A paper in Personality and Individual Differences discovered that people who get bored often are at higher risk for behaviors like drug use or dangerous activities, because they need pleasure and try everything, even when nothing works. Lab experiments also show that when researchers take all meaningful activities away from people, they quickly get irritated and cannot even solve simple problems. This shows boredom goes deeper than just having nothing to do. The evolutionary perspective. If you think boredom is dangerous, you are wrong. Boredom actually had a purpose in the past. For our ancient ancestors, feeling bored was a signal to explore, hunt, figure out problems, and invent new solutions, activities that helped humans survive. But in 2025, everything has changed. Today, we're surrounded by non-stop digital simulations. Our brains are designed to chase rewards in the form of endless scrolls and notifications. But even after doing all of that, many people still remain unsatisfied. Studies confirm that the things we are doing today in 2025 disrupt our brain's reward system and slowly kill everyday pleasures.